It all started with a crime that broke the nation's heart. 24th of September 2012, Irwin St. James. In the night, men with guns held up a family of women and girls.
What they did on Monday night, they go to the back of the house where one of the bedroom was, and the girl must have been on her bed, and they grab her back, push away, force the window open, and put their hand in and grab her hair and put the gun to her head and tell her, don't move. If anybody in the house moved to call the police or anything, they were going to blow her head off.
There were 5 in the house. 2 mothers, 2 teenagers, an 8-year-old girl. They took them to the field beside their house and raped them. The community was terrified.
I am very traumatized. It is sad, it is sickening. The whole thing, it's crippling. We are in fear. I had to send away my 7-year-old child. I didn't tell her, but she heard about the incident and she's just crying. I have to send her out of the area.
Police officers responding to the scene were devastated.
We visited with a relative about 2 hours before you came here this morning, and one of my police officers that was on patrol with me actually broke down when we saw the relative sitting on the step as if he's lost.
And the police promised that it would be a top-notch investigation.
And I can tell Jamaica, this is not going to go down with the normal level of investigation, because already investigations have been intensified. We are going to bring these men to justice.
What happens when the justice system gets it wrong? When innocent